Good day everyone, I am Ira Costales, your student nurse for today's return demonstration, which is the bed making in an occupied bed. So first we are going to check the medical records or the nursing care plan of our patient for us to be able to know if ano bang meron ng ating pasyente para hindi tayo mag-cause ng injury sa ating patient. And then after that, we are going to perform a hand hygiene and wear PPE. So, after nating malagay yung ating gloves and makapag-sanitize ng hand, we are going to identify our patient and explain the procedure that we are going to be doing to her. So, good day ma'am. I am Ira Costales, your student nurse for today's procedure. So, ma'am, can I know your name?
Stephanie Joy Newberry.
Your age?
19 years old.
How about your birthday?
November 23, 2006.
Thank you, ma'am. So, for today's procedure, we are going to be doing the bed making. So, after identifying and explaining the procedure, we are going to start with the procedure. So, first, we are going to put a towel to our patient. So after putting the towel on our patient, we are going to pull the linen behind of the towel. So in pulling, you are going to roll it and avoid to touch your uniform to prevent contamination to your uniform. So pull and roll. You're going to do it after you. So while we pulling the linen, our patient is holding the towel so it won't expose her body. So pull and roll, pull and roll. So after you pull and roll it, you are going to dispose it to the laundry hamper. And then after that, we are going to request to our patient to move at the other side of the bed. So ma'am, please usap po kayo sa other side. So, ayan. And then, kapag nasa other side na ng bed yung ating patient, we are going to loosen the corner of our bed sheet or the linen in the bed. And then, i-place natin siya malapit. dito sa ating patient. And then we are going to get the new linen that we are going to replace at this old linen. So, place it. And put it at this side. So, avoid na merong wrinkle yung ating linen. And then, we are going to place this to our patient. So, ma'am, can you move at the other side of the... And we are going to place this one. And remove the other side of the linen. And dispose it into the laundry hamper. And you are going to continue replacing the new linen. So after we put the new linen in the bed, we are going to place our client at the center of the bed. So ma'am, please move. And then we are going to replace to the pillowcase of the pillow. So here is the pillow. So you are going to open it and replace the pillowcase. And you are going to dispose it into the laundry hamper and place it in a new pillowcase. So open the new pillowcase and then place the pillow. are going to place it again to the head of our patient. And then after that, you are going to remove you are going to replace first the blanket. And then after you place a new blanket, you are going to pull the towel inside the blanket. So, ma'am, can you please hold the blanket so you won't expose your body? And you're going to pull along the way pull and roll the towel inside of the blanket. And then after you pull, you are going to dispose it to the laundry hamper, and then get the linen here. Ma'am, excuse me. And then you are going to dispose it too. So after you replace all the linen, all the pillowcase and the blanket, you are going to remove your PPE and sanitize your hands. So that's how you do a bed making in an occupied bed, in an unoccupied bed. So thank you.